In this video we will talk about 10 essential oils for home care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Your sense of smell enables you to experience your surroundings in a powerful way. Essential oils are used to stimulate the sense of smell through aromatherapy. They can also be mixed with carrier oils and used directly on the skin or hair. Distilled from the leaves, flowers, and seeds of plants, there are so many kinds of essential oils. To help you sift through the essential oil shelf, we rounded up a list of oils, along with specific recommendations. Number 1. Lavender Essential Oil. Eden Botanicals Organic Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender essential oil provides a soothing and relaxing scent. It's often used in aromatherapy to relieve stress. Lavender oil also makes an excellent massage oil when mixed with a carrier oil. This essential oil is made from certified organically grown lavender and imported from France. It's steam distilled. Number 2. Tea Tree, Melaleuca alternifolia. This is one of the most beneficial and useful essential oils to have on hand, and with good cause. It's often been called a medicine cabinet in a bottle, as it can be used to treat almost any common ailment. Although you'd never consume tea tree oil, you can use it topically to treat the following. Eden Botanicals Tea Tree Oil. Tea tree, Melaleuca, oil is thought to have antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's used in wound care, to eliminate head lice, and to control dandruff. Tea tree oil can be added to shampoos or used in diluted form on the skin for minor fungal infections, such as athlete's foot. Number 3. Lemon, Citrus limonum. This is one of the best essential oils for home use, as it has more applications than most other oils will ever dream of. A few drops of lemon EO added to olive oil makes a gorgeous furniture polish. And we add the EO to dish detergent, homemade laundry soap, floor cleaners, and spray cleaners. You can add a drop or two to a mixture of coarse salt and baking soda, and then use that as an antibacterial scour for wooden cutting boards and butcher blocks. Lemon essential oil also has therapeutic uses. Add a couple of drops to a glass of water and gargle with it to relieve bad breath. A few drops added to shampoo can alleviate dandruff. Lemon oil added to a bath or diffuser can alleviate anxiety. Blended with aloe gel, it acts as an antimicrobial hand sanitizer. One thing to keep in mind is that lemon essential oil can make your skin photosensitive, so don't slather it on and then go sunbathing. Wait 12 hours before exposing lemon-daubed skin to sunshine. Number 4. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. Most people have probably taken a cup of peppermint tea to alleviate nausea or an upset stomach. But you can also massage your abdomen with a carrier oil that has a few drops of peppermint essential oil added to it to relieve stomach cramps and queasiness. But you can also massage your abdomen with a carrier oil that has a few drops of peppermint essential oil added to it to relieve stomach cramps and queasiness. Number 5. Eucalyptus, Eucalyptus globulus. Eucalyptus EO is great for alleviating chest congestion, either blended with other oils or alone, and a salve made with it can also ease asthma attacks when spread on the throat and chest. That same salve may help to alleviate the pain of fibromyalgia if rubbed into the affected area a few times a day. A few drops added to a compress and placed on skin affected by shingles can ease the pain associated with that condition, and may speed the healing process. Number 6. Clove, Syzygium aromaticum. Clove oil has been used for dental issues for centuries, and is one of the best treatments available for toothaches, gum disease, cold sores, and canker sores. It should always be diluted, as it's very strong, and shouldn't be used by those with super sensitive skin. You can also use the diluted oil for athlete's foot, prickly heat rash, wounds and cuts, fungal infections, insect bites or stings, bruises, ear aches, poured on a cotton swab and tucked just inside the ear canal. For home use, diffuse the oil in bedrooms to repel mosquitoes, and add a few drops to baking soda to sprinkle over carpets before vacuuming to get rid of fleas. You can also tuck cloves into an orange to make a pomander and hang that in a closet to repel moths, or in the kitchen to keep flies away. Number 7. Chamomile essential oil. Eden Botanicals German blue chamomile oil. The comforting scent of chamomile has coaxed many people into slumber over the centuries. Chamomile essential oil has multiple benefits for health, including anxiety reduction. Number 8. Frankincense, Boswellia carterii. Considering that oil of frankincense was found in King Tutankhamun's tomb, it's safe to say that this fabulous substance has been valued for quite a while. Topically, you can use this EO to improve the following issues: acne, warts, cuts and scrapes. It's a great disinfectant. Boils, scar tissue, cysts, insect bites. This oil can be diffused to alleviate stress, and some people find that it helps to reduce migraine headache pain as well. For home use, diffuse the oil to repel mosquitoes and flies. The scent may also help to alleviate stress, anxiety or panic attacks, depression, and insomnia. Number 9. Grapefruit, Citrus paradisi. Bright and cheery, grapefruit essential oil is uplifting and multi-purpose. You can use it topically for swollen lymph nodes, oily skin and hair, cellulite, acne, migraines or tension headaches, massage into temples and forehead. Deodorant, add a drop to a mixture of baking soda and water, then apply to underarms with a cotton ball. In the home, you can sprinkle a few drops around your dog's bed to repel fleas, but keep the oil away from cats, and use it in the same way as lemon for antibacterial cleaning sprays. You can even sprinkle an old sock or handkerchief with grapefruit EO and then toss it in the dryer with your laundry to give it a fresh citrus scent without the use of any harmful chemicals. Number 10. Oregano oil. With its anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiparasitic, antimicrobial, and antiseptic properties, oregano essential oil is as great to use around the house as it is on the body. It should never be used undiluted, however, and pregnant or nursing women should avoid using it. Number 11. Bergamot essential oil. Bergamot essential oil comes from the rinds of citrus bergamia fruits, a hybrid combination of oranges and lemons. Its enticing, distinctive scent enhances body lotions, massage oils, and colognes. Number 12. Jasmine essential oil. If you enjoy the stuff of legends, you probably know that jasmine is thought to be an aphrodisiac, and no wonder. Its lusciously sweet scent is used to lace popular desserts and fragrances. Number 13. Ilang Elang essential oil. Ilang Elang has a light, floral scent and is used in aromatherapy to reduce tension and stress. Some users say it's also beneficial for insomnia. Number 14. Rose geranium essential oil. Rose geranium essential oil comes from a geranium plant with leaves that have a subtle rose scent. Some users find that it helps repel flying and stinging insects. Others mix it with carrier oil and use it as a facial treatment for dry skin. Number 15. Patchouli essential oil. Some people associate the scent of patchouli with the Woodstock era. Others enjoy its spicy, woodsy notes, or appreciate its antibacterial properties. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.